These were the grand truths. The earth, Nile, water, these are the grand things. But what if it's not a grand thing? It's just an individual. No problem. An individual's habit, it's not changing. There is no scope for its being changed. You can also use simple present tense to the verb that the person is doing. For example, my father spends a lot of money on cars. It means that it's a long standing habit of my father. He used to do it long time ago. He's still doing it, and hopefully he will continue to do so. In this case, the word is spend, spends in its first form, and it will show a timeless truth again about my father in its simple present form.